charming as can be. The Branford Plan is open and airy floor plan with all you need on the main level. 2-story living room with built-ins flanking the gas fireplace. Spacious kitchen with quartz counters, a keeping room and screened porch with ceramic tile floors, owner's suite on the main level, extra large laundry room with sink, cabinets, and folding station. Upstairs is 2 additional bedrooms with a Jack and Jill bathroom, plus a large bonus room. 2-car garage was expanded 6 additional feet for more storage space with storage cabinets that remain. Newly painted and fully fenced backyard. The composite deck was expanded in length so there is ample room for entertaining. Lovely neighborhood with a swimming pool and lawn maintenance provided.